going on? Interesting thing going on, guys, with Beyond Meat. It's jumping almost 2% right now. What's going on? We're gonna have a reversal, maybe. The confirmation for reversal, we're gonna discuss it right now. Remember, our content here for education purposes only. So Beyond Meat, guys, we get a near interesting level of support, which is the 80 cents. So that's why we have a little bit of buying pressure right now for Beyond Meat over the 80. However, the main event, we need to have at least 17%, not 2%. I'm just saying 17 or over. Around 25% to confirm that we have a right buyer, and confirmation for the right buyer or the squeeze will come around the $1.09. We don't want to have the same that happened before, a wick and a rejection. Is mean the short seller add their position once again. We need something like this. Look, we got our breakout here, you see, and then holding, making another support over the 95, then squeezing up. This same reaction we need to happen exactly right there, guys. A breakout, then accumulation, then continuation toward almost the $2 for Beyond Meat. For now, it's still good reaction that we have 2%, but we need to hold the 80 in order to break over the 109 before the end of this month. Yeah, next month, February, we might have this reaction because this we got only just 2 days before the end of this month. So if we got something, good news, this will affect the price for a correction for Beyond Meat, and maybe protein drinks give us this for the next earnings. Maybe we can see that maybe the new line of product that actually launching for protein drinks might change the perspective, fundamental side of Beyond Meat, and we get our squeeze because Beyond Meat need like injection of strong news in order to have a squeeze, from my opinion, because the technical is getting really tight over the support. So yeah, we might have a consolidation before this kind of jump would happen for Beyond Meat.